Forget the earth where you stand. Do you ever wonder till you're lost in all those overbearing thoughts that live in your own flower bed?
Number one is the first picture.
May palit yung magnet ni mo, mother. Yung magnet pa
You just press it down.
Don't zoom in!
Ay, ano na?
May palit ko, san?
How do you feel?
Good.
Like,
Should I blow this house? Yes.
Okay. This is the process of a chef.
Big yell. It's already hot. I can feel. Come on! It's hot! No, I can't. It's hot? I'm gonna cry. Is that hot? It's fucking hot. Oh my god, it's hot. I didn't want to touch my lips.
can you get me rice?
So much?
I didn't even get to swallow it. Saya kayo na. Masama ka na tonight.
Look at him.
No,
The master.
He's crying.
Hi.
I'm gonna have Auntie Millet bring it to Maui.
No,
You go watch it.
Isa lang.
Yeah.
Look my tears.
You wanna do it with, ano?
Look at tears.
Oh my god, grabe nagilak ka dyan.
Hello everyone. So welcome
Ganang
to
circle lang tigil siya.
vlog.
Malay.
There. So right now I'm in the room. It was fun. I have so much toys and I like it. Tired. No, like sleep tired. Like I'm lazy.
I will always love you.
Up now.
Good morning.
Children.
Wow! Wow! Chisera! Meet Caroline!
No, I might have to arrange first.
I know, don't count it because, you know, I'm be sad. Josh, wake up! Josh, wake up. Look, okay, so this is Josh, my other nephew. He's still sleeping.
He had a dentist appointment.
Okay, so they have a salon currently going on here. One's making, putting on some mascara, not mascara, eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
Sorry, huh?
What? Some apples?
Wow.
Right now.
With matching snack while putting makeup on. Look, matching snack.
Josh, I see you.
Oh.
Josh, you wanna see Spider-Man?
This is the current situation of their room right now. Okay, no filter. Grave. Grave. Grave.
Who, me? She's not even back.
Hey guys, so we're at Pike's Place and my sister's here and this is her first time. Say hey. This is Kilo. This is my sister.
Did you guys go to the garden?
No, let's go to the garden. Anyway, so we're going to the garden. This is my aunt. And say hey.
It's so cold, you know.
Oh yeah, it's so cold. And these are fresh seafood. Hi guys, so we are at the oh, look at the lens. Sorry. But we're at the garden. At the garden. Like,
I can't even see what I'm recording.
Oh, nice butt.
We're here in Pikes Place Market, particularly Pikes Place. Yeah, it is Pikes Place at the gum wall.
Gabo.
So they're still busy, you know, putting their saliva on the wall. Ready? Sige, record. Come on, you guys do it together. Sige na, record ni Kuya. Oh guys, that's one.
Ew. Put Jano.
Jano. I have to shape it.
Yeah. Not your mouth, only the gum.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
So we're at the Seattle Aquarium. Let me clear my throat. We're at the Seattle Aquarium and we might get city passes, but if not, we're gonna go see my family. What do they call it?
What family?
The sea otters.
Oh, the sea otters.
What?
Okay.
Sea otters?
Okay,
Sea otters.
now you have to be an otter. Ready? 1, 2, 3, action. Otter.
What sound does otter make?
Like that.
Is that an otter? Oh, it's an otter. Lions, sea lions laugh like
Shining.
that's their beavers.
Oh, Justin Bieber.
They. They're gonna know how it sounds.
So we're at this restaurant. Oh my god, it's still very close to my face. Here's our food. We forgot to take a picture.
It's so good.
I have a story.
What's your story?
Ew. Hi. We are at the round 1 bowling. Okay. You just have to put music.
Oh na 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 Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in.
Right, wrap it up, your vacation.
Wrap it up. Break it down. Wrap it up. Okay guys, we're going back to the Philippines. It was nice, but I'm ready to go back to Manila and start my actress career. Watch me on TFC Wildflower. Okay, wrap it up, break it down, wrap it up, bacon wrap sandwich. Bye guys, see you later. See you in the next vlog.
Yeah.
When Odyssey guys come to Maui.
I know. But they're going home.
Bye, Kuya. Follow me. I'm just kidding.
You actually want to hug. Oh, you guys are matching like brother, sister. I know, red.
Boy, give me a hug. Your laptop, brah. Your laptop. Make sure your laptop is okay, okay?
Yep.
David.
Jam.
He's crying.
David, are you crying? Alright guys, today is our last day in Washington and we're going home tomorrow. It's pretty nice. Pretty? But the people here are rude. They don't say excuse me. Can you put the doink sound? But overall, it's nice. But the people aren't.
She looks too bright.
Hi, Auntie Rose. Austin.
We're here.
Hey Lily, you can.
Shout up. Yeah.
This is weird. It's a very small world.
Alright, guys.
Alright.
See you later.